Hey guys, it's Lisha here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day routine using As I Am products, Alikay Naturals, and African Pride. So I'm starting on very dry hair, as you can see, and I'm just getting it damp so that I can put the product in. Yeah. And there's a lot of residue in my hair because, you know, during the week you use a lot of gel and a lot of built up. So now I'm gonna go in with my pre-poo, and this is from African Pride. I use this to detangle the hair before I wash it. It just has a great slip, and it just makes it easier to apply the other products. You also get less breakage, less hair when you detangle. Yeah, so I highly recommend this product before shampooing your hair, even though it's, it takes up a lot of time. Yeah. Now I'm using a white teeth comb. You can use like any white teeth comb, nothing too thin because you don't want to break the hair. So now I'm just combing it out from the ends to the root, just so that I get like an even distribution of the pre-poo. And then I'm gonna twist it just so that it stays detangled for when it's time to apply the co-wash. I'm gonna do this for my entire head. Now that my hair is all finished and I have twisted all over, I'm gonna just use whatever is left from my jar and just put it everywhere, just to make sure everywhere gets. I'm gonna gently massage the scalp for circulation. I'm gonna rinse the pre-poo out with lukewarm cold water. This is just so that I start putting the co-wash in on clean hair and not, too much products. And what I really like about the pre-poo is, it contains aloe vera and coconut water, so it leaves your hair very, very soft afterwards. Now going in with my coconut co-wash from As I Am, and this is my fave. So I don't shampoo my hair on a regular. I prefer to co-wash because then it doesn't leave your hair dry. It's just like conditioning. So I'm gonna apply like a generous amount to each section, just as I did with the pre-poo. Massage the scalp. I'm going in with my Denman brush after putting the co-wash in each section. This is just to clarify and define curls. Also leaves the hair in like clumps, so it's less frizzy when it's finished. I don't really use a Denman brush on dry hair, but I do find it useful for wet hair, detangling wet hair. So yeah, I repeat this continuously until I'm complete. Well, I have completed the entire head. After finishing the twist, you can see me twirling. That is just to get the ends in and keep them in so that it's not, frizzen. So it leaves like a cute coil at the end of the twist. Now that I've completed the entire head, I just massage everywhere so that there's even distribution. You can never go wrong with too much co-wash. So I'm massaging my scalp. Again with cold water to wash the hair out. So now my hair is completely clean and I have washed the co-wash out of my hair. I'm trying to dry it without using like a towel or anything, so I just use my hand. I kind of like just squeeze it a bit just to get most of the water out. Now I'm going to use my microfiber hair towel. This is just so that I don't get split ends, and it also like keeps your hair shiny and it doesn't take out all the moisture. And I highly recommend that you get one of these. And it's so easy and fun to use because you can just wrap it up and then continue your day. And then when you feel like, then you can, you know, I guess, moisturize your hair or do whatever you have to do with your hair. And it's not like, you know, you use a rubber band or anything. It's just, you know, twist, and then it has a little button in the back that you just clip over. Now, I didn't leave this for very long since I was making the video, but I would usually just leave it for like 2 hours or less. But yeah. Okay. So now I'm trying to section so that I can put my leave-in conditioner in. Usually I wouldn't do this in such small sections, but it is better. You get better results when you do small sections. The first thing I use is my Alikay Natural Lemongrass leave-in conditioner, and this holds a lot of moisture in your hair, and I just like that it's a spray and not, you know, like that thick consistency that most leave-in conditioners come in. Because then this way, you know, you can use gel and stuff and it wouldn't have a lot of residue or build up after like 2 days. Yeah, so on like damp hair, I just put it an even distribution again. Make sure my ends are saturated. And this is just for moisture. This does not give your hair any definition, just moisture. Now I'm going in with the double butter cream from I Am, and this I believe gives a lot of moisture and definition. It just gives it like a heavy weight, and it also leaves your hair very soft and manageable in the morning. Again with the Denman Brush, ends to root, just to detangle, but it's not very, you know, tangled. Now I'm gonna pat it down. And again with the finger coil at the end to seal it in. Go in with my moisture milk from As I Am, and it does exactly what it says. This is just a moisture, nothing specific. I just do it to kind of drench the hair a bit. I'll just rub it in my palm and just kind of squeeze around the plaits. Now that I'm all done, I'm going to oil my scalp. And for this, well, it's a mixture of extra dark Black Castor Oil and Pimento Oil for hair growth. They both create like a very thick consistency, so not everyone would like it, but I do. Now I'm just gonna put this in every part to ensure the hair gets everywhere it gets. And of course, you cannot forget the edges. So at this point, I'm just massaging the areas that I did put oil. And yeah, this is my entire hair care routine. Thanks for watching. Bye.